Gentlemen, some of you have been asking if they can have a look at my front garden. So here we go, a quick tour. This is a hedge. It's took a couple of years to get it into that shape and get it nice and crisp on the edges. As you can see, it's now autumn and we've still got between 6 and 9 flood warnings on the River Don, and that means danger to life because we've had that much rain over the last week. So everything is absolutely saturated, which I don't like because that's perfect breeding ground for fungus, powdery mildew, black spot, that sort of thing, rust. So here we go. There's a tree. Everything, I'll leave everything that's died by that's still stood up, just so I've got a little bit of shape left. Just walk you around. This is self-seeded this year. That's called, I think it's carpet of gold, or cloth of gold. I think it's an Achillea. We've got foxgloves. They're white stalks. This is a white carnation, commonly known as a pink. Here we go, lupins. I don't know if you can hear that. In fact, while we're here, I'll just break this back. Now I'll try sowing them, see what comes up, eh? Here we go. And that was the Japanese anemone. I'm trying to think now. Here we go. It'll come to me in a second. Next to it, lilies. Behind there, some self-seeded hollyhocks. Still gone. You can see it. Big blouse, it's centred. I'll go back to that one. I think that one's called Black Eyed Susan. And there we have comfort, which I wish I'd never brought into the garden because it's a pain in the backside to get rid of. You only need the smallest amount. There's the self-seeded ivy that I've trained up the tree. This is my bed that I've been using it for lilies mainly, that I've dug nearly all of them up now. I'll be planting out stuff like lupins, and I'll put some tulips in and some daffodils for the spring. Right, just round at the bottom now. Just some self-seeding foxgloves that I put in pots. I planted them there. There's one I've not took out the pot yet. These are absolutely massive. These are like 12 inches across, these lilies. Here we go. Instrument. There's mine. Jasmine, I think it is. Yeah, I think it's jasmine. Cottage cream, it's called. You can see that's been trained up and over. It looks brilliant, and the scent in the evening with the window open, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Right, look at these. These are going to produce some massive flowers next year, these foxgloves. You can't get better plants than them. I've got there's some box edging that's been trained. So look from down here, showing. There you go. I'm thinking shaping the privet down the edge there, right to the bottom. I think it'll look nice. Right, these need taking in now. I've got that's called Queen Mum, Agapanthus. Oh, that one's driving me mad. Right, here we go. I've remembered now. This is a peony. A lovely perennial plant that you have to support, that produces some really big, lousy flowers that are really well scented. Anyway, that's my catch up and look down my front garden. If you've got any advice, or you want any advice yourself from me, if I can help, please just drop me a line. And if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.